Begin standing at the front of your mat, feet hip-width apart. Observe how the weight is distributed in your feet. Left foot, right foot, toes, heels. Play with the weight, shifting between these 4 points. Now find a place where your weight is as even as possible, and relax your shoulders, fingers soft, chin slightly tucked in. Top of your head reaching straight up to the ceiling. Beginning from your head, tuck in your chin and start to ragdoll down one vertebra at a time. Go as slowly as possible. And come back up, stacking one vertebra at a time. Again, down and up in your own time. Core strong, legs strong. Feet firmly planted. Last one. Curl down and back up. Now slowly lower yourself down onto the floor and come into child's pose. Inhale, come forward slightly out of the pose, and exhale, deepen into the pose. Inhale forward, exhale back. Take a moment to relax here. Inhale, come onto all fours, and exhale into cat pose. Squeeze your belly. Inhale, cow pose, arch your back. Exhale, cat. Fingers spread wide to support you. Inhale, cow, look up. Exhale, cat, curl. A few more rounds with your own breath. Good, strengthening the spine in this pose. Come back to a neutral spine and sit down onto the right side of your bum. Swing your legs around and come back to a seated position. We will take a few deep breaths together. Remember that we are breathing intentionally here. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. A few more. Inhale and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a moment here in silence, eyes closed if it's comfortable. Just feeling the effects of this simple breathing exercise. Breathe into a feeling of peace. Moving into our rest pose, Shavasana. remember to find the variation most comfortable for you today. Find yourself fully supported by the ground, using blocks, blankets, bolsters, whatever you need. Give yourself a big stretch, arms overhead, squeezing all the muscles in the body. And then release. Start to relax into the pose. Feel your forehead relax, shoulders relax, arms and hands and fingers all relaxed, hips relaxed, legs relaxed, feet and toes all relaxed. Soft. Observe where your mind is going and gently bring yourself back to your breath. Allow a feeling of gentleness to fill your breath. Breathing calm, peaceful, no strain, no effort. Begin to deepen your breathing, waking yourself up. Begin to move your fingers and your toes. Rub your hands together, stretch your arms overhead, and in your own time, in your own way, slowly come back to a seated position. We will end our practice here, hands to the heart. Namaste.